Am I audible? Hello,
Yes, sir. Got sir.
sir. Am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible now.
Right, sir. Right.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Okay. You know what I was telling you people? Something about briefly about me. That I have been working in Noida, in Delhi, in the management process as an assistant professor, marketing management, teaching BBA and MBA students for 4 5 years. And then in 2000, in the year 2000, I switched over to Varanasi. And for the last 16, 17 years, I have been associated with Dalim Sandeep, first as the vice principal, then as principal of Sigra branch. And in the month of September 2019, I joined SMS Herbert Market as principal. And I'm very happy and deeply honored to be the principal here, and equally honored to be the member of Sahodaya Group of Schools Varanasi, Jyotirmay Sahodaya Group, to be very precise. Uh, I request all of you to just at least keep on saying yes, sir, so that I'm sure that I'm audible there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shivam, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो मेरे को लगा कि हाँ मैं audible हूँ. Okay. Right. So, actually, my today's topic that I have chosen, I'm really first of all, I'm thankful to all the president, the secretary, and all of you, joint secretary, and other people, those who have given me this opportunity. I have chosen a story today. I have chosen a very common story, बहुत common story जो हम class 2-3 से पढ़ते आए थे, about the hare and the tortoise. Hare and tortoise, या उसको tortoise बोलते हैं, hare and tortoise, hare and tortoise. उस कहानी पे मैंने उसकी कहानी के 8 मिनट की मैंने एक गाना बाना बना के एक प्रेजेंटेशन तैयार किया है, and that story is known to everybody. All of us know that story, and मैंने उसी पे टीम वर्क का जोड़ा है, टीम वर्क and group. What is a team? What is a group? Right. तो मैं उसी पे फोकस करूंगा, and I'm sure that by the end of this session, you all will be definitely somehow you will definitely praise my efforts. So now straight away I'm going to the teamwork. I'm going. मैं पहले एक जो है 2-3 मिनट का एक वीडियो क्लिपिंग आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. Just please go ahead for that. I'm sure you are all able to see it on your screen.
Yes, now. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
It is the team.
Yes, sir, we are.
You can do miracles. You can fly. You can do anything. But all times, individuality never gets success. Individuality never gets success. Sometimes you may fail. Sometimes you need support. Sometimes you need guidance. You can find all the above through work. Now the meaning of team is together everyone achieves more. TEAM. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championship. Coming together is a journey, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. This is teamwork. This is teamwork. That is the teamwork. God helping his master.
Your audio.
That clearly says TEAM. Together, everybody achieves more. If we are working together, we achieve far better goals than if we are working alone or if we are working as individuals. But so far as organizations are concerned, we focus on the teamwork. If we are not working as a team, however hard we put on our efforts individually, we are not going to be successful. Everybody, all the members have to work together in cohesion. Now just see this presentation. Teamwork in conflict. First of all, let me just tell you something about what is group and what is team. Just see please, a group in itself is not a team. Teams normally have members with complementary skills. They meet their goals through focusing on their strengths and weaknesses and an improvement by using skill sets. Am I audible to everybody?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is a group? A group in itself does not
I
consist,
think everyone should keep their mic mute.
but a team has got the members with complementary skills. Means complementary switch. Suppose a cricket team, there are very good batsmen also, there are very good bowlers also, there are good your wicket keepers, there are very good fielders, and then all these people, all the
Good bowlers.
cricket team, they are complementary. Somebody has got very good batsman skill, somebody has got bowling skill, somebody has got wicket, somebody has got fielding skill, and all these skills are complementary. And then the team is able to win the matches. Otherwise not. कोई अच्छा बैट्समैन है सुनील गावस्कर की तरह, लेकिन अगर वो टीम काम नहीं कर रही है, डेफिनेटली फिर आप की टीम कभी जीत नहीं पाती है. यही होता है, यही डिफरेंस होता है एक सक्सेसफुल कैप्टन में और एक नॉट सो captain. Actually, we will never say कि any captain was successful or any unsuccessful. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि successful captain and not so successful captain. यहीं पे फर्क आता है एक ग्रुप की तरह काम करने का और एक टीम की तरह काम करने का. Right. Next one, please. Now, what are the? A team has got interdependence. Everyone needs to work together to accomplish anything significant. So all the members of a team are interdependent. Nobody is individual. Nobody has got a separate identity. We have got identity if we are interdepending on each other. And obviously, team members are connected together with a great degree of interdependence. Now, team members specialize in different tasks. One person cannot specialize in all the fields. One person cannot be there a very good bowler also, a very good batsman also, a very good wicket keeper also. They may be rarest of rare ones. Every person cannot be a very good accounts teacher, English teacher also. Same person cannot be a very good mathematics teacher
अरे
also.
वो पेमेंट का आ रहा होगा ना,
So
कोशिश किया तो नहीं हुआ.
in this teaching profession as a school, suppose if I talk of the school as an organization, there also we have got some very good PhD teachers, some very good English teachers, some very good math teachers, some very good IT teachers, and then we are forming a team. Team members do different tasks, and then success of individual is success of team. Now, in this team is great. Success of individual means success of team. There is no success. Generally, we don't focus on the individual success. Obviously, individually everybody is becoming successful. Then the team is becoming successful. Other thing, in a team, one important point is those who maybe knowing about synergy effect. SYNERGY, synergy effect. Synergy effect means 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 effect. I repeat, teams work on effect. Synergy effect means 2 5 effect. 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now, meaning thereby, it is sum of individuals. In case if this individual 2, another individual 2, if they work together, so they produce 5. But if they are separate, so 2 has got only 2 values, the other 2 has got only 2 values, and if they are separate, so then that adds up to 6. If they work in a team, so this 2 plus this 2 particular, that is synergy effect, and that's what we talk about the team. Everywhere in all the organizations, even if we consider organization, that's also the team spirit. The father has got, mother has got, the grandparents have got input also to play, and together we all are achieving the ultimate goal of the family, whatever goals we have got. Yeah, go to the next one, please. Examples of teamwork, service, hospitality industries. Anyway, these are the examples, you know, teamwork everywhere. Teamwork applies everywhere. In our family, in our organization also, everywhere the teamwork applies. Right, now, you know, I will be going straight away to my story. And that story we have been definitely, yes, yeah, or we can just, you know, elaborate on some points here also. Yes, this will be the first one. Discuss something about this also. ये अच्छा important है इसलिए हम ग्रुप की और टीम की अगर बात करते हैं तो what is a group? In a group, the members work independently and often are not working towards same goal. ये बहुत जरूरी है मुझे अपने स्कूल के बारे में बात करने के लिए. Members in a group work independently, not interdependently. देखो टीम में क्या है, ग्रुप में members are working independently and often are not working towards same goal. Whereas in a team, members are independently. फर्क क्या है? Independently in group and interdependently in a team. Right. Second, members focus mostly on themselves, whereas in team, members feel a sense of ownership towards their role in the group because they help to create their goals. हम PRA वगैरह बनाते हैं, डिस्कस करते हैं सभी कुछ, राइट? लेकिन अब ग्रुप की बात करता हूँ मैं. जस्ट जो सेकंड पॉइंट है उस पर फोकस करो कि where the members focus mostly on themselves because they are not involved in the planning of their group's objectives and goals. यहाँ सिंपल बात करो, एक कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर जो है, कहीं पे जो ओवरब्रिज बन रहा है, कहीं पे फ्लाईओवर बन रहा है, वहां आपने देखा होगा कि जो लेबरर्स हैं वो काम कर रहे हैं अपना, बस सुबह से लेकर शाम तक में बिजी हैं, लेकिन वो नहीं जानते हैं कि ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या. बस उनको ये दिया गया कि आपको ये पिलर इतना ढालना है. उनको ये नहीं बोला गया अल्टीमेटली कि अल्टीमेट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या, अल्टीमेट एम क्या है हमारा. लेबरर की तरह काम कर रहे हैं. बट इन अ टीम में जो हमेशा हमारा, यस एम आई थिंक इज कंफर्टेबल नाउ. एक बहुत छोटी सी कहानी है, जो कहानी जो है हम लोग बहुत सुनते आए हैं, द हेयर एंड द टॉर्टोइस. कहानी हम इतना जानते हैं कि एक बार कछुआ और खरगोश ने जो है एक बोला कि भाई कौन ज्यादा तेज दौड़ सकता है, तो दोनों ने कहा कि हाँ भाई मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ. उसने कहा मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ. उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, एक रेस हो जाए. और उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि सब जानते हैं कि कछुआ जीत गया. ठीक है, ये स्टोरी था. तो थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू importance of time. Wait, so here the story is being played. The story is in 4 parts. 4 हिस्से में स्टोरी है, and this particular story is sufficient to tell you the importance of teamwork. So the first slide you have seen that both of them agreed upon to have a race. So they decided to settle the argument with the race. They agreed on a route and started off the race. The hare and the tortoise. Anuj, go to the next one. Don't go there every time. इनको यहाँ पे बिठा दो. You sit here. Right. The hare and ran for some time. Then seeing that ahead of the tortoise, he thought he would sit for some time and relax, continuing the race. Overconfident खरगोश बहुत तेज भागे, देखा कि खरगोश बहुत पीछे रह गया है. सोचा कि मैं क्यों आराम कर लूं पेड़ के नीचे. आया, देखा थक गया था, आराम कर लो. अरे तो बहुत दूर है, झपकी ले लेता हूं मैं तब तक की जगह, जब तक ये मेरे पास आएगा तब तक मैं जाऊंगा. बट व्हाट हैपेंड, ही द ट्री, द hare sat under the tree, fell asleep. Yes, where the tortoise, this particular word can be pronounced as tortoise. He word can be pronounced tortoise or tortoise. ठीक है. The tortoise plodding overtook him and soon saw the race, emerging undisputed champion. वो सोता रहा, कछुआ जो. Now this is the इस स्टोरी का क्या मॉरल है? The hare woke up and realized that he had lost the race. Now the moral slow and wins the race. इस कहानी का जो tradition, the moral story is slow and wins the race. Slow है, steadily कर रहा है, चल रहा है तो उससे जीत निश्चित है. This is the version of that we all have done. We have been. Now the second, the story continues. Yeah. The hare was losing the race. तो बहुत झटका लगा hare को कि मैं इतना तेज दौड़ता हूँ और कछुआ कुछ भी नहीं है. You know, the tortoise like a pygmy in front of me, but still the tortoise was able to defeat me. So he did some sort of introspection. आत्मावलोकन, disappointment, overconfidence, मैच जीत गया, उसके बाद disappointment, आत्मावलोकन किया, introspection किया. He did some introspection. आत्मावलोकन मेरे से गलती कहाँ पे हुई? Now he realized that he had lost the race only because he had been overconfident, match हारा, careless था, relaxed था. So he taught us to the race. Okay, ठीक है. सोच लिया कि मुझे क्या करना है. जब अपना यहाँ बना लिया खरगोश, then again the hare went and challenged the tortoise कि चलो तुम्हारा एक रेस क्या होता है इसमें. Next, this time hare went all out and ran stopping. He started and he was very quick. उसके सामने कुछ नहीं था. उसने जब देखा कि मैं रिलैक्स हो गया था, हार गया था, मुझे छोड़ा. Started when till he here and in that particular by miles. Obviously, okay. Now the moral of this fast and will always be slow and steady. Story number 2. Fast and consistent will always beat the slow and steady. Because slow and steady wins the race, no doubt. Slow and steady wins the race. But अगर slow and steady का अगर competition हो रहा है fast and consistent से, पहली story में slow and steady का जो competition था वो fast and not consistent. दूसरी story में slow and steady had a competition with the fast and consistent. Here the hare, in story number 2, the hare was consistent also. No doubt he was fast, but he became consistent and he won the match. दूसरी story का fast and consistent will always beat the slow and steady. So if you have 2 people in your organization, one slow, methodical, slow है, methodical है, and the other is fast and reliable at what he does. The fast and reliable chap will consistently climb the organization ladder faster than the slow and methodical one. So it's understood. Now it's good to be slow and steady. And reliable. Final क्या है conclusion निकला? Good to be slow and steady, but it is better to be fast and reliable. Okay. Now, third part of the story continues. The third part. Next one. The tortoise did some thinking this time. अब क्योंकि समय कछुआ हार गया था, इसलिए जो हारता है वही करता, जो जीतता है उसे आत्मावलोकन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. उसको इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, सर्चिंग की जरूरत उसको होती है जो हारता है. Now here in story number 2, the tortoise was defeated. Thinking. And no way you can beat the hare the way he formatted. Please underline the word currently formatted. कछुए ने बहुत सोचा कि मैं फॉर्मेट में बिल्कुल नहीं जीत सकता, क्योंकि वो जो है अब कंसिस्टेंट भी हो गया है. फास्ट तो पहले से था, जन्म से ही फास्ट था, और अब कंसिस्टेंट भी हो गया, तो अब वही जीतता रहेगा अगर यही फॉर्मेट रहा रेस का तो. So here introspection was done by the team. Now what did he do? He thought for a while and then challenged the hare another race, but on a slightly different route. यहाँ पे उसने route choose किया, जो format बदल दिया. Obviously, life also tells us the same thing. In case if you are working hard, एक ही फॉर्मेट पे अगर जा रहे हैं, एक ही लकीर के फकीर बन के जा रहे हैं और सफलता नहीं मिल रही है, ऑब्वियसली आपको अपना ट्रैक चेंज करना है। ये स्टोरी हमको बता रही है, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट। वंस यू आर working hard and still not getting success, so obviously then you have to think about your route. You have to think about the format that in which you are definitely going for that race. Here the total same thing. उसने जब इंट्रोस्पेक्शन किया, अपना ट्रैक बदलने की सोची, फिर उसने खरगोश को चैलेंज किया, come then let's have a race third time. So what happened? They started off. Now in keeping his self-made commitment to be consistently fast, the hare took and ran top speed until he came to a broader river. अब यहाँ ट्रैक बदल गया, जो पहले तो लैंड पे ही दौड़ रहा, अब उसने जो पॉजिटिव पॉइंट जो शॉर्ट एनालिसिस शॉर्ट एनालिसिस ने अपना स्ट्रेंथ से पता चला कि मेरे स्ट्रेंथ पानी में ज्यादा है, उसने वही बना के वही अपना चेंज करके तब खरगोश को चैलेंज किया। अब खरगोश ने कंसिस्टेंटली भागा in keeping self-made commitment consistently fast, the hare ran at the top speed until it came to a broader river. The finishing line was a couple of kilometers on the other side of the river. The finishing side was a couple of kilometers on the other side of the river. अब यहाँ पे आके रुक गया, भागा बहुत तेज, कछुआ भी बहुत पीछे है, अभी यहाँ पे रुक गया। Okay, now hare sat there. वो तो पानी में तैरना खरगोश। The hare sat there wondering. In the meantime, trotted along into the river, swam to the opposite side, and continued walking to finish the race. थर्ड स्टोरी में क्योंकि पानी में भी जा सकता है तो यहाँ ये सोच क्या इसके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था, वो आया इसके सामने, इसके बाद उसने जो है रिवर क्रॉस किया और फिनिशिंग लाइन भी क्रॉस कर दी। तो हियर आल्सो अगेन द टॉर्टोइस वाज द विनर इन द थर्ड स्टोरी आल्सो। नाउ मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, the moral of the story number first, identify your core competency. Please underline the word core competency, and then change the playing field. फिर अपना playing field change करो to suit your core competency. You know, all of us have some strengths, some weaknesses. We all have got opportunities. We all have got threats. यहाँ पे whenever we do the SWOT analysis, whenever we do some soul searching, whenever we do some introspection, हमें पता चलता है कि मेरी strength क्या है, मेरे अंदर क्या है। तो यहाँ पे जो किया, जो टॉर्टस ने किया, यहाँ देखो इसका थर्ड स्टोरी में भी वही हुआ, टॉर्टस एंड द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी। फर्स्ट core competency, अपना strength देखो, what is your strength, and then is the playing field to suit your core competency को suit करके ऐसा field winner बने। In an organization, speaker, make sure you create opportunities presentation that enable the senior management to notice you। यहाँ देखो, अगर आप अच्छे स्पीकर हैं तो बोलो ना अपने मैनेजर को, अपने प्रिंसिपल, एचओडी को, अपने बॉसेस को, yes I want presentation, right? If you are a good speaker, तो ये अच्छा प्रेजेंट करो। If you are a very good teacher, you tell your principals, yes I want to teach the subject. You show off yourself. If you are a very good person, there are extra, you show off your talent. Obviously, the people those who have obviously are noticed in our, and then they are definitely organizational ladder में ऊपर चढ़ने का मौका मिलता रहता है। Strength is analysis. Strength analysis and result analysis. So make sure you do some sort of research, make a report, and send it up your street, send it to your seniors. Again, you will be noticed here. So that is the point. To see your core competency, to see your strength. Right now, what is the final one? Final क्या था इसमें lesson? कि working to your strength will not only get you noticed, but will also create opportunities for growth and advancement. Your career advancement में, आपके career advancement में ये फायदा देगा आपको। यही थर्ड स्टोरी का फाइनल मॉरल था। Okay, The story still continues. कहानी अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुई है. The fourth part of the story. And now here comes the team spirit. अब यहाँ पे team spirit की बात आती है. See, the hare and the tortoise by this time had become pretty good friends. तीन बार रेस कर चुके थे. So the hare and the tortoise by this time they have developed some sort of cohesiveness. इनका कुछ cohesiveness develop हो गया था. They had become good friends, right? Now both realized that the last races could have been run in much better way. दोनों ने फिर इंट्रोस्पेक्शन किया. एक बार वो हारा, एक बार ये हारा, एक बार ये हारा, एक बार वो हारा. तो इससे अच्छा कि इन्होंने कहा कि ठीक है, अब हम थोड़ा सा टीम की तरह बात करते हैं. Both of us now work as a team. अब देखो क्या हुआ. So they decided to do the last race again, but to run as a team this time. To run as a team, not as individuals, not independently, but interdependently. How much time is left? 10 minutes. 10 minutes are still there. Okay, 10 minutes में खत्म कर देगा. So यहाँ पे क्या किया? They decided to run as a team, not as individuals. Right? They started to work interdependently, not independently. Okay, next. They started off, and this time the hare carried the tortoise till the river bank. यहाँ पे क्या किया इन्होंने? एक जो स्टार्टिंग लाइन थी और जो फिनिश लाइन थी, स्टार्टिंग लाइन से लेकर नदी के बैंक तक तो आपका लैंड था. So the hare was faster on land. So the hare let the tortoise ride on his back. यहाँ वो उसको अपनी पीठ पे बिठा के लाया. Right? They started off, and now what happened after that? जब रिवर में क्या किया? There the tortoise took over and swam across with the hare on his back. अब यहाँ पे कछुए ने खरगोश को अपनी पीठ पे चढ़ाया और नदी पार कर दी. और फिर क्या हुआ होगा? Again the land part came. Here again on the opposite bank, the hare again carried the tortoise, and they reached the finishing line together. They both felt a greater sense of satisfaction than they had felt earlier. बहुत जल्दी भी रेस विन कर दिया दोनों ने, और दोनों satisfied थे क्योंकि both of them are the winners in a group. And once we work as individuals, हम लोग जो है ना अकेले ही जीतते हैं, लेकिन एक टीम में जब जीतते हैं तो दोनों जीतते हैं. अगर इंडिपेंडेंटली काम कर रहे हैं तो एक जीतेगा एक हारेगा, बट अगर जो है इंटरडिपेंडेंटली काम करेगा टीम की तरह तो न कोई नहीं हारेगा, दोनों जीतेंगे. Now the moral of the story, it's good to be individually brilliant and to have strong core competencies, but unless you are able to work in a team and harness each other's core competencies, you will always perform below par, because there will always be situations at which you will do poorly and someone else will do well. Obviously, क्योंकि आप हर जगह एक्सपर्ट नहीं हो सकते. आप नदी में भी और लैंड में दोनों में एक्सपर्ट नहीं हो, इक्वली एक्सपर्ट नहीं हो सकते आप. राइट? Now it's good to be this already done. Now teamwork is mainly about situational leadership. यहाँ पे है, देखो situation थी. One was the situation of the underwater, over water, underwater, or on water, and the other one was the situation on land. यहाँ पे बात आती है टीमवर्क की, और तब आती है बात situational leadership की. Generally a question is asked. There are so many types of leadership. Okay, there is autocratic leadership, there is benevolent leadership, there is participative leadership. बहुत सारी तरह की लीडरशिप है. राइट? कुछ लीडर जो डंडा मार के काम कराना चाहते हैं. आप डंडा मारो, लोगों का बदतमीजी करो, लोगों के साथ में उनसे जो बहुत हार्शली बिहेव करो, उनके साथ बात मत करो, उनको कभी ये मत उनको लगने दो कि वो तुम्हारा हिस्सा है. ऑटोक्रेटिक लीडरशिप. दूसरी लीडरशिप है बेनिवोलेंट, कर रहे हैं. तीसरी लीडरशिप है कि जहां पे 100 दोनों बराबर है. अगर क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है तो बेस्ट टाइप ऑफ लीडरशिप
म्यूट है ना, तो लिख के वो लोग भेज रहे हैं कि आप म्यूट कर.
बेस्ट आंसर इज सिचुएशनल लीडरशिप इज द बेस्ट लीडरशिप. Situational leadership is the best leadership. I repeat, situational leadership, the leadership which goes as per the situation, is the best leadership. आपको स्थिति देखनी है, परिस्थिति देखनी है. एक होता है प्लानिंग, एक होता है गोल, और एक होता है स्ट्रेटेजी, रणनीति. जनरली होती है कि हमें पीठ नहीं दिखानी, शत्रु को कभी पीठ नहीं दिखानी है, लेकिन शत्रु जो है 500-600 हो गए और आप खाली 50 हैं, तो वहां पे तो पीठ दिखाना ज्यादा अच्छा है, जिंदा तो रहेंगे. राइट? भगवान श्री कृष्ण यहाँ पे आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं. You can learn a lot from the life and works of Lord Krishna. उनको रणछोड़दास कहा जाता है। सब कुछ थे, सर्वशक्तिमान थे। उनका उस समय का जो अस्त्र उनके पास था, उनके पास कौन सा अस्त्र था भगवान श्री कृष्ण के पास? सुदर्शन चक्र था उनके पास, राइट?
सुदर्शन चक्र।
That was the most vital this one शस्त्र at that time, सबसे खतरनाक शस्त्र था उनके पास। लेकिन तब भी वो कई मौकों पे जो है भाग गए, शत्रु को पीठ दिखा के भाग गए, राइट? और पीछे से पकड़ लिए, फिर किसी को छोड़ा भी नहीं उन्होंने, राइट? दिस इज द सिचुएशन लीडरशिप, और यही हमको जो है काम करना होता है इस तरह से। सिचुएशन लीडरशिप बात है। फिर आई बात क्या? टीम की। ओके, नोट दैट नाइदर हियर नॉर द टोटस gave up after failure. हाँ, यहाँ पे देखो, neither here nor tortoise gave up after failures. दोनों ने जो है ना मैदान नहीं छोड़ा after failures. They failed, but they continued. This is also important point, important lesson of leadership. You always go ahead. Never get depressed. You will fail definitely in your efforts, but then you have to go ahead. Go ahead, right? You learn from the failures and then rectify yourself and then go ahead. Yes, they had decided to work harder and put in more efforts after his failure. The tortoise changed his strategy because he was already working as hard as possible. Right. Then in life, when faced with failure, sometimes it is appropriate to work harder and put in more effort. Sometimes it is appropriate to change strategy and try something different. And sometimes ज़्यादा efforts रखो, कभी-कभी। Finally, last one. Stop competing against a rival and instead start competing against the situation. We perform far better. Please underline this particular statement once again. When we stop competing against a rival, अगर हम शत्रु के खिलाफ नहीं लड़ते हैं, हम सिचुएशन के खिलाफ लड़ना शुरू करते हैं तो ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल होते हैं। हमारे साथ प्रॉब्लम है कि हम जो है शत्रु के खिलाफ लड़ते हैं, सिचुएशन के खिलाफ नहीं। तो यू हैव टू वर्क, यू हैव टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द सिचुएशन, नॉट अगेंस्ट द राइवल। यहाँ एग्जांपल देखो कि when this particular Roberto took over as the CEO of Coca-Cola in the 1980s, he was faced with intense competition from Pepsi that was eating into Coke's growth. His executives were Pepsi focused and intent on increasing market share to 0.1% a time. देखो, कोका-कोला जो है बहुत डाउन सिचुएशन में चल रहा था, लेकिन उनका दिमाग में खाली पेप्सी था कि बस मुझे पेप्सी से लड़ना है, पेप्सी से ज्यादा अच्छा करना है, और सिचुएशन को नहीं देख रहे थे, वो राइवल को देख रहे थे, सिचुएशन को देख रहे थे। Now Roberto decided to stop competing against Pepsi and instead competing against the situation. देखो क्या सिचुएशन थी? Go ahead please, next one. यहाँ पे he asked his executives what was the average fluid intake of an American per day. The answer was 14 ounce. What was Coke share of that? 2 ounce only. जबकि 14 ounce था, मार्केट की सिचुएशन थी 14 ounce की नीड थी पर डे, और कोक का शेयर खाली कितना था? 2 ounce. Right? Now Roberto said Coke needed a larger share of that market. It means the competition wasn't Pepsi. It was the water, tea, coffee, milk and fruit juices that went into the remaining 12 ounces. The public should reach for a Coke whenever they felt like drinking something. To this end, Coke put up vending machines at every street and every corner. Sales took a quantum jump and Pepsi has never quite caught up since. अब आप समझ लो. See this. Competing against a situation, not against a rival. To sum up, the story of the hare and tortoise teaches us many things. Hurry up, I think 2-3 minutes are there. Never give up when faced with failure. Fast and consistent will always beat slow and steady. Then work to your competencies. Next one, compete against the situation, not against a rival. Then pooling resources and working as a team will always. Now see, let's go and build stronger teams. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I hope you have learned something from this story. मुझे उम्मीद है कुछ सीखा होगा।